Welcome back, guys. Welcome back again to the channel. Thank you, guys. This is going to be the next video here. We're going to be working with a data context. So this is what we're going to be working on. But before that, I wanted to show you guys. So I posted some pictures there. It says over here it says under community. So if you click on that over here, it says three different types of people. Which one are you? So if we click on the picture, let me see if I can get it to open. So I think I found it very funny on this one. It says uh, when there are uh, when there are OS updates. Um, so whenever you do an update on it, like if you have Windows user, ooh, I hate this. The one that says Mac user, oh yeah, I love it. Linux, oh I made it. So yeah, I know whenever there's an update, I think I fall on this one here. Whenever there's an update there. So feel free to comment on that. So welcome to the community. So then I'll post it also to another one here. So let me see. I'll make some more. So expectations versus reality. So when you watching a program in a tutorial and then the program that I made after. Yeah, so I mean it takes a lot of practice. So but anyways, that was I'm gonna start posting some little posts like that. See if you get some people to participate. But anyways, so back to back to the reality. All right, so the next thing we're gonna do on the video. So I already got one, two. This is gonna be day 3 on the application. So we're gonna be focusing. I have the application here. When I built the application, that came with SQL Server. You can use any type, any data. Like you can use you can use program. Let me see what's the other one. Hold on, once. So you can use Postgres, SQL. So you can use that too. You can use MongoDB, and then you can use my SQL. So you can use all of that. But me, I am going to use for developing the while I'm developing the application, I'm going to use SQL Lite. So I am going to use SQL Lite. Let me download it first. Let me go here to it says projects. So you want to do is go to tools and you want to go where it says over here Nugget Package Manager. And I am going to go ahead and look for I'm going to use for SQL Lite. Yeah, I already used it before, so I'm going to use that SQL Lite. I'll go ahead and install it. Go ahead and install it right now. So once I install that, and I'm going to go ahead and go here. I'll go ahead, Control D. Well, still loading. Bum, bum, bum. Okay, go ahead and I hit accept to that. And then I am going to go ahead and do that. Hit Control. Go ahead and import that. Control dot. Come on, buddy. Come on. Work. Okay, cool. The error went away. So the next thing, once I have that, import that, I'm gonna go ahead and go to the data, the app settings JSON here, and I am gonna change the connection. So right here, I am gonna declare my data connection here. So let me go ahead and do that. So here, what I want to do is I am gonna do connection string like that, and here I'm gonna do default connection. And I'm gonna do data, and it's gonna be source, and I am gonna call it my app DV, just like that. Okay. So I have that, and then now I can actually go and go ahead and save it. And I'm gonna go back here to application DbContext right here, and I'm gonna go ahead and import the classes that I created. So one, I made it from the previous video. I created 2 classes. I created one for let's go back to the folder model. So I created one for category, one for products, and one for product image. So I'm gonna go ahead and declare this over here. So here, what you want to do is you want to make it public, and you want to do dv set, and whatever the name of the class, which it was for mine was product. If I can spell it correctly, that'd be great. And it's gonna be products, and it's gonna be we're gonna use get and set, and that is complaining there. So let's go ahead, control dot to import it from models, from the models folder. I'm going to go ahead and do again another one, public dv set. And this is going to be one for categories. So the name of that is categories. And then this one's going to be get set. And the last one we are going to import is going to be the images. So it's going to be, what do I call it? Product image. And it's going to be product images. Get set like that. Perfect. So that's that. So then I know it came with if we take a look over here at the application, if we came with a folder that says migration. So I'm gonna go ahead and delete that one because I am going to create a new migration. So in order to get a new migration, we have to do one more step. So there's three steps you got to do. So we go ahead and import it. The SQL Lite already did, but you can keep it a SQL Server. So we're going to go ahead and so now we're going to go back over here where it says tools, and I'm going to import a package. This one here, we need to go ahead and import. It's called Microsoft Visual Studio Web Code Generation Design. So we have to import that. I'm going to go ahead and install it. Just takes a little bit here. And then we're going to go ahead and try to get our first migration and get it going. All right, guys. Dun, dun, dun. All right, so let me go ahead and close all these pages, and I'm going to go ahead and go to Package Manager Console here, and I'm going to go ahead and create my first migration once it's ready to go. Okay, so yeah, there it is. Let me do add migration. There you go. So we're gonna go ahead and I'm gonna go ahead and name it this one, add models, and then let me go ahead and if there's no errors, it should be able to build and create a first migration. So that takes a little bit. So we'll see what happens. All right, guys. So it did build the first migration, so it's looking good. It actually built it right here. See its folder. Okay, so since we have that, let's take a look. So it created a table, but we'll have to do update so that way we'll do the table. So that's for the user if you have to register and everything. Okay. So then we have a table that we declare some properties here was the category and also was I don't know if you remember the name, display order, created time. So then we also had one table for the products. Let's make sure we got that. Yeah, right here. See the products. So that's that. And one for images. There it is. So I think looks good. So we're good. So we can go ahead and do the update. So I'm going to do update my migration. So no, that was an error now. Okay, I think it's called update database like this. Update database. Oh no, wait. Is it like that or is it database? All right, hold on. Let me Google it real fast. I forgot. I forgot. So I found there was update database. Sorry, guys. Right here. It's update database with a little dash. So yeah, that did it. All right, cool. So that did it. And that's how you create your first migration. This is more like a beginner level. So as we go on, it was going to get a little more challenge. So for the guys that already know how to do it, so bear with me. Well, it will give challenge as it goes. All right, so this is the database. We have one for the models, one for the data, and whatever property or anything, any model you might create, and you want to create a table, this is where you're going to put it. So let's talk about the data context in ASP.NET Core. So data context is the source of all entities mapped over the database connection. It tracks the changes that you make to all retrieving entities and maintain an identity cache. So that guarantees the entities retrieves more than one time are represented by using the same object instance. So this is, yeah, so this is pretty much what Microsoft says about using data context class. All right, so I just wanted to read to you guys what Microsoft uh, what Microsoft says about data DbContext. All right, so anyway, so back to the application. So we have that. We have so all right. So this is it for this video here. I'm trying to break it down is in parts so that way it doesn't become as boring. So on the next video, I am going to we're going to be working on the controllers. So stay tuned for more, and I'll see you guys on the next video. And don't forget to share it. Don't forget to leave a comment on the bottom of the video, and don't forget to follow for the new guys. And I'll see you guys on the next video, and stay tuned for more.